Yes, my lovelies, keep watching to find out how I got these beautiful waves on my flat twist out. Welcome everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new, thank you for tuning in again. It's Vanessa, your girl here in Summer's Crown, back with another video. So today it's a flat twist out, just showing you my beautiful hair. I had just ran my hot heat brush through it, so it has the ceramic plates as well as like bristles to use, so it kind of stretches your hair. I often use that because I don't like shrink hairstyles. So yeah, let's get right into it. So right now all I'm gonna do is part off in 3 sections with my comb. I don't have my rat tail comb, but preferably that's what you should use. The sharpest edge is the greatest. My wide tooth comb is pretty sharp, so I don't mind using this. So I'm just combing that out, making sure everything's detangled, and sectioning off the back half now. Now it doesn't have to be precise in the back. It's going to lay flat anyways, but this way I find is just the best to do it. All right, I'm just gonna section all of that off. So we got 3 parts, as you can see, one in the front, one on the side, and one in the back. So I'm just gonna start by sectioning off my first twist. I'm gonna say it's probably like 2 fingers, a finger and a half thick. The smaller you do it, the more defined your curls will be. The bigger you do it, the wavier and bigger your curls will be, obviously. So here I'm using some Shea Moisture Lock and Hold Butter. I'm probably saying that wrong, but who knows? It's all right. I'll figure out how to properly show you what it looks like with my ring, because this is the first time I used my ring with a video. I feel like I'm talking too much, but hey, it's all good. So that's about, I don't know, let's say a nickel or a quarter size on there, and I'm just putting it through, making sure it's right through, comb it through as well, all detangled, going in with my trusty oil. 2 spritz, that's all you need. That oil is very heavy. Well, not to say heavy, but yeah, it's very heavy, so you don't need a lot. So we're just going to go in, bear with me because I probably can't explain this properly. So you're going to section off the first piece. That first piece is going to go into 2 pieces. All right, so with my right hand, I wrapped that piece on top, grabbed it with my left hand, and I did that twice. Now I'm going to section the bottom half off, grab it with my right thumb and index finger, and wrap it around again. When you wrap, you're tightening each section. So we go do the same thing, cut, wrap, perfect. Next time I will zoom in for you guys too, because it's a little far, but hey, it's all right. Again, cut, yeah, wrap, and you're good to go. So you're gonna do that for each twist, and this is the way I've seen a lot of YouTubers do it online. I actually don't do it like that. I will show you in the next couple clips coming. So once you get close to the end are your elders, like Nappy Foo says, so you make sure those are moisturized, combed through. If you need to add more product, which is what I'm about to do right now, go right ahead, add a little more product. Not too much, just a little bit, so your ends are not dry and your curl holds at the end. Stupid nails getting in the way. So it was my birthday on June 19th. I'm officially 25, and I was doing my hair for work the next day. I don't know why I did this, because it just turned out to be a big ass afro like usual, because it was so hot that day. But all right, doing it again, same thing. Section off my piece of hair, grab my moisturizer. We're just gonna do the same exact thing, break that through, make sure it's all nice and evenly distributed throughout the hair. All right, not too much as usual. 2 spritz, That's all you need. Pull that through, massage it in, and you go in, cut the top, beginning of your flat twist. Make that into 2 sections. And then from those 2 sections, you wrap over, under, section off the bottom, free hair or the hair that's underneath, grab it, over, under. Maybe that's a little better to explain. Sorry that my hands are in the way. Work with me, people. We will make this different and way better. Okay, we're gonna do this all the way down to the ground. And yeah, I didn't part properly, so hair is getting stuck, but that's all right. Comb that through. Go ahead and add product. You can even tell that it needs a little product, so go ahead and add a little bit. Pull that through. Oh, I forgot to comb it through. Oh, I did comb it through. Oh. Twist all the way down to the bottom. Wrap around your finger to make sure it locks in. And we got it. Oh, no, we got a problem here. Guys, see that? So that's a big problem. So what we're gonna do is just take that out. Obviously there's too much hair on one side, so I'm just gonna grab some hair from one side and put it on the other. Twist all the way down. This should fix your problem. Alright, so now I'm gonna actually just show you how I do it. Now, I don't cut and section off each time because I find, as you can see, it's really loose. My curls don't come out as defined as I want them. So I'm gonna show you how I do it. So, moisturized it, put in my spray. I'm faster than my clip. Oh well. Perfect. So now I go and I just split that into 2 immediately and start wrapping over, under, and when I go under, I just automatically grab the hair that's under it, that's free, just a little section, and twist all the way down. Can you guys see how tight that twist is compared to the other 2? So when I take that out, my roots are not going to be as curly as I want them to. But oh well. Trial and error. Just want to give you guys a feel of different ways to do it. Hey, if it's easier for you to go over under, then you do it that way. But I just find it just helps to do it this way. We get to the end, comb through. Very repetitive, and again, you're gonna do this all over your head. So I will be right back with the front. And at this point, I'm a big nerd. Can you stop? You need to go to bed soon. You have work in the morning. But yes, so again, you're doing this all around your head, and in the front, you are sectioning and parting your hair in the direction you want your flat twist to come out and lay down. So that's all I'm doing all around my head, as I said 3 times. So that's about it. If you have any questions, make sure you comment down below. I will be doing way more videos. The next video coming up should be a haul, but we will see. I'm not too sure. Don't quote me, but I want to say it's like a 65-70% chance it will be a haul next time. Hair store haul. So bear with me, people. Like I say all the time, I love you and I appreciate all the help, all the love and support. Keep following, keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.